Everybody faces bouts of sadness or falls into depression at some point in their lives, without exception. While many people have their own definition of depression, it's important to remember that all are painful and all must be battled against. Now, the causes of depression can vary, from traumatic experiences to abuse, bullying, assault, harassment, the loss of a loved one or pet, the end of a long-term relationship, the loss of a job, and beyond. Regardless of the reason, depression is very real and can require very real assistance, so when I feel that weight settle onto my shoulders, I try to remember that it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to ask for help pulling myself out of that dark place. When I feel alone and disconnected, as though I'm fighting a war all by myself, rather than withdraw into myself, I seek out a trusted loved one to talk to. Sometimes I share what I'm feeling at that moment. Other times I just enjoy the relief that being in their presence brings. When I chastise myself for what feels like weakness, I let another voice spring up to remind me that different injuries have different healing times, and people don't heal at the same rate. Inside or out, it makes no difference. For me, watching cute animals in video or in real life is sometimes enough to lift me, just a bit, out of whatever morass I'm currently in. I seek out things that make me happy, from videos to stories to basic activities. If the feelings persist, I sometimes speak to my physician about them. Yes, the doctor's primary concern is the body, but doctors are also concerned with overall health. As such, they can often recommend services and people to speak to in order to process what I'm going through. Sometimes it takes an objective observer to tell us that we're not alone and not crazy, and that can keep us from being so judgmental to ourselves and others. Depression is real and part of being human. However, it's not a part we have to just accept or fight alone. Love, faith, joy, success, and time can all battle it back and bring us to a much better place in life. Choose life.